Hey guys, what's up? Nick here once again, and today we're going to be unboxing the Razer Basilisk wireless gaming mouse. So let's get right into it. Now, I am super excited about unboxing this mouse. I've been wanting a wireless gaming mouse for years now. I've just never trusted them, honestly. I've just always had wired mice, and I've never even tested wireless mouses except for like the ones you see at the library or the really cheap ones, right? I've never tested out a legit gaming mouse that's specifically for gaming, you know, like Razer or Logitech or whatever. And I've heard from a lot of friends that the wireless versions of these gaming mice are better essentially than the wired versions for a lot of reasons. But first, this is going to be the unboxing, and then in a future video, after I get some time obviously to mess around with it and play with it and test it versus other mice, I will do a full review of this mouse. So stay tuned for that. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss that future video, and let's get into the unboxing. So we're just going to cut open the top tape here, get these side tapes out of the way. I don't have a knife on me right now, so I'm using a girlfriend's nail file. So not the optimal tool for opening boxes, but hey, it'll get the job done. Got some packing stuff on top, some paper. And there she is. Get that box out of the way. All right, here we are. So yes, we have the Basilisk Ultimate. Now this should come with the stand as well. I'm hoping it's in there. Looks like it is based on that picture. So this is a fully wireless mouse. It does come with a rechargeable stand, which is pretty awesome. You can purchase the mouse by itself without the stand. I think it's like $40 cheaper without the stand, but highly recommended because the stand alone is $60. So you're saving some money getting it with a bundle. And plus you don't have to worry about buying hundreds of batteries a month, and it will recharge overnight. So pretty cool. So looking on the front here, we got 11 programmable buttons, 14 customizable Razer Chroma RGB lighting zones. Essentially, it's just light strips around it, I guess, that show some cool colors. Customizable scroll wheel resistance, which I'm actually really excited about. Now, a lot of people, and I totally understand, have stated this is exactly copying the look of the Logitech 502, I believe is the model. I have it, actually I have the original model. I have it stored away somewhere. I'll have to go grab it for the review so we can do a comparison. And that was a wired mouse. I never had the wireless version, but people are saying this is like an exact carbon copy of the wireless version of the G502. So it'd be interesting to try those out side by side. One big difference though between this and the 502, the 502 has an endless scroll option, which means that you know how normally with the scroll wheels you feel those little notches in between each little roll that you use on the scroll wheel. Now with the 502, I know that they have an endless scroll wheel button where you hit it and all of a sudden you just scroll this and it just will spin forever. It'll be endless scroll, literally. Now they don't have this on here, but they do have this customizable resistance. So it's kind of cool. Essentially it's a scroll wheel on the bottom of the mouse, so you flip it over and you can adjust it here, and then on the top it changes the resistance of how much resistance, obviously, that the scroll wheel has. So I'm excited to try that out. On the left side of the box here, just shows that 25% faster, plus rapid, I don't know what that really means, but okay, rapide, I don't even know. Razer Hyperspeed delivers the fastest wireless gaming performance, at least 25% faster transmission speed than any other gaming mouse. I don't know if that's really true, but cool. Offering the lowest click latency, improved power efficiency, and seamless frequency hopping to maintain peak stability is in even the noisiest environments. I'm assuming it's not talking about loudness noise. I'm thinking it's talking about like there's a lot of frequency. I'm not really sure. Razer Hyperspeed delivers the fastest wireless gaming performance, at least 25% faster transmission speed than any other gaming mouse. Why is it repeated? I don't know why it's repeated. That's weird. All right, so what's inside? Razer Basilisk Ultimate Gaming Mouse, Razer Chroma Mouse Charging Dock, wireless dongle, and then the charging cable, important product information guide. So all the important stuff. On the back here, as we showed before, it just shows about the optical mouse switches. This is another big key feature of the Razer mice, or the new versions of the Razer mice, I should say. So they're using the same optical switches as on their keyboards. So I also have the newest Razer keyboard. I honestly can't think of the name off the top of my head. I think it's called the Huntsman. Correct me if I'm wrong. I did a full review on my channel on it a couple months ago. But I love it. I love the keyboard, and this is going to match perfectly with that. So it uses an infrared system instead of an actual mechanical key switch. So once it passes this red light, essentially, it instantly triggers and then puts the input to your computer. So it's a lot faster than using mechanical switches, so I'm excited to see the difference in the click speed and whatnot while playing games. Again, 14 customizable Razer Chroma RGB lighting zones, customizable scroll wheel for resistance, 11 buttons, Razer Chroma mouse charging dock, focus 20K optical sensor, so pretty good optical sensor there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the box. So let's get into it. Sorry that took way longer than expected. We're gonna take this little piece off. I love this about Razer's unboxing experiences. They remind me a lot of Apple devices. Very clean, elegant boxes, and they look really nice, and they're essentially easy to unbox. So get this tape off here. And it should just flip open. Got a nice magnet, so again, really good unboxing experience with these things. Nice foam pad here to protect the mouse. Now, I will say this is a pretty expensive mouse. They're retailing for $160, so with the dock. So pretty expensive. Totally understandable why people pass these by and don't go for them when they don't want to spend that much money on a mouse. I 100% understand. All right, so we're gonna take the dock out first. It's in this nice foam, very strong foam. So there's the dock. Essentially, these two little prods here connect to the bottom of the mouse. In the USB port here is where the wireless transmitter goes. And then on the back here is what goes to your computer for the power source. And then on the bottom here, we have a sticker that comes off to create a nice sticky bottom so it will stick on your desk. Not gonna slide around, which is a nice, really nice added feature. A lot of these dock type systems don't have this, and it's annoying because I have a very slick desk, so stuff just slides around. Now that I have that, I don't have to worry about that, so pretty awesome. And then around the edge is nice RGB lighting, so it'll look very pretty on the desk, so very cool. You pick up the mouse itself. Right off the bat, it's a lot lighter than I expected. I watched a few reviews of this before purchasing just to get a feel for it, you know, to see if I should get it or not. And a lot of people were complaining that it's a heavier mouse. Now, I mean, everything's built into it. The batteries are built into it, so this is the full weighted mouse. And honestly, in my opinion, it's pretty light. Now, compared to maybe some other mice on the market, it's probably heavier than those, the ones that are meant to be light. But honestly, it is not heavy by any means. I think this is just going to be perfect for any type of gamer, really. So as you can see, we got the two prongs down here. That's where the charge is. Looks like an on-off switch, maybe a reset switch of some sort there. The resistance scroll wheel setting. And then under this little flap here, I believe it is, yep, the little transmitter for the wireless connection. That'll go into the dock there. You know, I'm going to put that in there right now so I don't forget. Put the door back on. And that's it for there. Otherwise, I mean, it's a pretty regular looking mouse. It reminds me of the Death Adder in a lot of ways, and also obviously the Logitech G502. But it feels really good. I have medium to large hands, and this feels very nice. It really cradles the hand very nicely. I've always loved this thumb rest on these mice. I love that shape. It just fits perfectly, and it's got these nice buttons right here on the side. There is a little switch here, or a door, I should say. You can add this little paddle button that goes in there. It's an optional switch, which is pretty awesome. So you'll plug it in there, it's magnetized, and then you can macro that to anything you want. So pretty awesome if you ever need it. I like having options. On the right, no buttons to speak of. On the top, we have the DPI switches and then the scroll wheel. Right now, I think it's on max resistance. You can really hear it. It's really, oh yeah, it's got a lot of resistance right now. Let's try adjusting that. Let's move it down less. Oh, wow. Yeah, you can't hear it at all now. No endless scroll, though, so it does stop. It doesn't keep rotating, but there's definitely no individual clicks anymore. So very smooth. I really like that. And then you can obviously make it more resistant. You can hear that little soft purr kind of in the middle. So yeah, it's really awesome. You get a lot of customization. I love customization, so very clicky buttons on all buttons. Yeah, very clicky, very tactile, resistant. I mean, for 150 bucks, you're gonna hope you're getting a pretty decent mouse, am I right? So I would hope they're clicky. So really, it's just gonna all come down to how does it perform, right? And how does it look when it's plugged in? So let's see what's in the rest of the box, and then at the end of the video, I'll have it plugged in and show you some footage of that. So we'll get that foam piece out of the way. Get the beautiful green text of the Razer products, this giant pamphlet that really just talks about their vision and everything. I think get some stickers. Yep, get some fancy stickers. I'll probably, I don't know, put that on my case or something. We will see. But yeah, always cool. Get that with Razer products to show that it's an authentic product. And then we have the cable, which is nice and braided. I love braided cables, like the shoelace kind of tactile feel. And we got USB, micro USB, a little bit sad about that. I wish it was USB-C, but oh well. It still works, it's free. And then you got the 3.0 USB that goes in the computer. Signature green Razer. And that is it for that. And then we have that, again, like I stated, that paddle, that magnetized paddle button you can put on the mouse for an added macro. So pretty cool. Nothing else is in the box. That is everything. That is the unboxing. So let's go ahead, we'll plug her in and see what she looks like, ready and booted up. So that is the Razer Basilisk Ultimate Wireless Edition. I hope you guys enjoyed my full unboxing and overview of it. If you would like to see more videos like this in the future, please leave a like, share, or support. It truly means the world to me. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Especially get ready for the full review coming up, where I will put it head-to-head next to the G502 by Logitech, because I know that's pretty much its biggest competitor, especially when it comes to price, because I have the wired version, so it's gonna be a wired version versus the wireless, just to see the biggest differences. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. I really am excited for the future of the channel and the newer videos that are coming out soon. Thank you guys for all the support this year. It's been amazing. We just reached 5,000 followers. I cannot believe it. It's just incredible how fast we have reached 5,000 subscribers. So it's gonna be amazing to see what the end of 2020 will look like for the channel, but I will be here, and I hope you guys will be here every step of the way. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.